Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about the prime factorization and factor tree. In the previous video, we came to know what is prime number. So, if anybody has not seen that video, uh, please watch that video to know about the prime number. Today we are going to learn factorization of a number. Factor tree means how to write a factor tree, then prime factorization by using number tree. Factorization of a number. Here actually the factorization means dividing the number into its factors. Means we use the multiplication to divide the number uh, into the factors. You can learn with this example. I will take the example of 30. So now we are going to factorize 30. See what are the different ways we can factorize 30. Here factorization of 30 into 10 and 3. 10 multiplied by 3. Okay. Another way we can also factorize 30 into 15 multiplied by 2. Means we are dividing 30 into 15 and 2. Previously we divided 30 into 10 and 3. Then the another way we are dividing it into 3 numbers, that is 5, 2 and 3. So I think with this example you know what is meant by factorization. It is dividing the number into different smaller numbers using multiplication. Actually we are using the factors only. Now the factor tree, how to build a factor tree. Dividing the number into factors and showing it as a picture which looks like a tree. So let's go to the example. With the example we can learn how to write a factor tree. Take number 60. We divide 60 into 10 and 6. 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6, means now I am dividing 60 into 2 factors, that is 10 and 60. Sorry, 6. You can choose any two numbers. I chose 10 and 6, the first two factors. Now I am writing in this way. This side, left side 10 multiplied by 6. Usually we put circle around it. Okay. So next we are going to divide these two factors into its own factors. Like example, I want to divide 10 into 5 and 2. Okay, and I will also write 5 and 2 in the similar way, like this. 5 multiplied by 2. Then I also want to divide 6 into 3 and 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. So I want to divide 6 also into 2 factors, that is 3 and 2. I will write that also in similar way. 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, and to complete the factor tree I will make circles around each factors. I am also writing one more multiplication sign here in between. You will come to know what is the significance of that in the next slide. So prime factorization using number tree. Here dividing the number into prime factors using number tree means actually using the same number tree. Here we are going to get the prime numbers and I am factorizing the number into prime numbers. So example, I am using 90. So start making a factor tree. Divide 90 into 10 multiplied by 9. So start writing the factor tree. 10 multiplied by 9. Then now I am going to factorize 10 into 5 and 2. 5 multiplied by 2, that gives 10, and circle 5, circling 2. Now this side I want to divide 9 into 3 and 3. 3 multiplied by 3. Now I will encircle 3 and 3. So now in between I am writing multiplication sign here also. See, after every factor tree, completion of the factor tree, at the bottom you can observe all the numbers we get is the prime numbers. You can try with other numbers also, make a factor tree, and you can see that at the bottom you get only prime numbers. And also you can see if you multiply these prime numbers as it is, you will get the number itself. So what does it mean? It means we have got the prime numbers which after multiplication gives the same number. So we have got the prime numbers which the product of which is the number. In other words, these numbers are factors of the 90. So we can say we have got the prime numbers. We can divide 90 into 4 prime factors. These are prime numbers. So what are the 4 prime factors? That is 5, 2, 3 and 3. So if we write that down, we should write it like this. The prime factors of 90 are 5, 2, 3 and 3. And at the bottom you should also write it like this, that is prime factorization of 90 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. So this is the last answer we get, that is prime factorization of 90, 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So here we did prime factorization of 90 by using factor tree. So I hope you learned what is prime factorization, factor tree, and also what is actually factorization.